Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Wow, people, Dancehall skilla there again with more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Manners and respect, you see. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two motorists. I got the understanding that those two motorists who you can hear talking in this video was involved in a accident. It's like a motor vehicle that one of those motorists was driving hit a motor vehicle that the other motorist was driving, and then one motorist confronted the other viewers and subscribers, and certain things happen. You see what I say? Now, based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, I would like you to tell me who you think was right from who you think was wrong. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
Any money he
What $1,000?
Any
That is what $1,000?
You sure he alone see what?
Yeah, but you see, at the idea, right? You see, I know.
I don't already have $5,000 and take it if I go in
That's
station
not
and
your
I say I'm
business.
a
That is his business.
That's my business.
But if you have to pay that to the state.
Alright, but let the state get, because you want me to pay you money. You listen to yourself, you want me to pay you money, so you tell us to go inside there? You know you was young, you know what it is you do.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Alright, well, okay, well, no problem.
That's on the road.
You basically. Imagine man pull up onto me and say, hey, lead a man to go there because he does always do what I'm saying. You pull out a cutlass for me. From the time I walk in your max, you pull out a cutlass. You don't know what it is.
That is my thing to defend me, you know.
But defend yourself from what? From what? So everybody that walk in your max, you just pull out a cutlass for them?
Yes. When they feel like there's a thief. Like
oh, so I look like a thief?
Yes, you look like a man.
So you bounce my vehicle, and I look like a thief. After you bounce my vehicle, and I walk in your max, you pull out a tree line from me?
Yes.
Maxi.
How that make it? You listen to yourself right now? Brother, I am not paying you no money.
Exactly.
If that would be, because basically that come like you ask me for a bribe.
I'm not bribing you.
No, you're not bribing me. You want me to bribe you?
For my day.
So what you
Yeah, but so who fixed my vehicle? The vehicle and your bounce?
Compensate me for my day for all the passengers.
Also, so you bounce my vehicle? What about my vehicle?
You could have just pull aside.
But I did pull aside. You drive off. You drive off. You drive off. But you drive off. Did I not pull over? You drive off and leave.
You're blocking me. I not pull aside.
Then you drive off. And you drive off.
You listen to yourself?
Big man, what you want to do?
Brother, if you want to, if it is, you want to go and make a report, no problem. You listen to yourself? You want me to pay you. Basically, they come like, that's a bribe. You know that's a bribe, right?
I'm not bribing you.
No, I know you're not bribing me. You want me to bribe you.
If I was in your position, I'd pay you.
That is you. That is you. That is you. Because apparently you trying to hold my job. You trying to hold my job as a thing for... No. That is not... I being shepherd. You bounce my vehicle. I don't know how to do my work, no problem. But here what? You will go by the court if that is how you want to go. No problem. I say I just go with God, right? I just go with God. And if I have to go before the magistrate, no problem. Rather than give you money, because at the end of the day, you know, I tell you I go and I'm there to deal with children, with youth.
What you want to do?
But I don't tell you already. If you want to go inside and not vex with it, that is your choice. If you, I am not...
me for my day up today.
You fixing my vehicle? You fixing my vehicle? You bounce my vehicle. You claim you don't know about my vehicle. You know about my vehicle.
I will fix your vehicle. You compensate me for my day.
So I must fix your vehicle and then go on. How much I pay for your day?
I want $5,000.
I must be $5,000.
Right. And I will fix your vehicle.
But I'll go and make a report in the station. We can deal with it in the court.
I must pay you $5,000 for a day. What will you do?
The people, tell me if this makes sense. So, two motor vehicles somehow got touched. And one motorist has said, if you fix my motor vehicle, me fix your one. That makes sense? Then suppose it's not my fault. You still want me to fix your motor vehicle so that you can fix my one? My people, based on some things that the person who you can hear talking in the background of the video said, if that person says some things that are accurate, then I think that that person might be in the right, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, if the things that the person said in the background of the video are accurate, then that person might be in the right. You see? Anyway, so the video that I just presented to you had been posted more than one places on social media about a maxi fight, or about two persons who fight inside of a maxi. Yeah, so may I say to you, yeah, a maxi is considered a public transportation vehicle, at least in one country that I know about. So may I say, alright, so I also saw another video on social media that shows when two persons fight inside of a public transportation vehicle, viewers and subscribers, but I cannot confirm certain things about that video. So I think I'm going to leave this whole situation alone right here. So, but you can let me know what I think about that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, next topic. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show how a motorcyclist ride a motorcycle through a toll on a highway. Some persons might say motorcyclists drive motorcycle. Some persons might say motorcyclists ride motorcycle. However, this video has been posted on social media with words and comments that gave me the understanding that some persons are talking about how the motorcyclists ride the motorcycle through the toll. Some comments gave me the understanding that some persons believe that the motorcyclist did not pay. And I want to say this to each and every motorcyclist and motorist that if you go at a toll and you know you're supposed to pay and you drive through the toll without paying, that can get you in trouble with the law. So don't do it. Anyways, look at the video and tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers. Observe.
What about some murder?
Oh, what's up? Under that.
Now, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, the way how the motorcyclist went through the toll, look away. Yeah, it look away. It look away, my people. See? Yeah, man, it look away. But I want to say this to each and every motorist out there, not just motorcyclists, every motorist. See? If you try to go through the toll without paying, you can find yourself in big trouble with the law. Yeah. Yeah, man. If you break that little thing that is come down to stop a motorist, so that the motorist pay before it go up, if you smash that, you would have got to pay certain consequences. Alright? Anyways, tell me what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a female from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago had been arrested by the police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago for the death of a 7-year-old girl who is said to be her daughter. According to information that I got, it is said that the child who died goes by the first name of Mackenzie. According to more information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that sometime before or after 4 p.m. on the 19th of August, the year 2022, that's Friday, the female who is said to be the mother or the accused left her home and she went to a certain location where she met up with a person who is said to be a religious leader. Now, I don't have any confirmed information if anyone else was there when she somehow met up with the religious leader, viewers and subscribers, and I don't have any confirmed information as to how the female exactly reached the location in order to meet up with the religious leader. See? Anyways, it is said that the female said some things to the religious leader that made the religious leader go to the female's home. Now, more than one news articles that I read said that the female allegedly confessed to the religious leader about what she had done to the child or about killing the child. You see me, I say at least one news article that I read gave me the understanding that the female confessed to the religious leader that she strangled the child. Anyways, based on the things that the female allegedly said to the religious leader went back to the female's home and saw the child's body in a certain position. So the police was alerted about the situation and a team of police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago arrived at the location and saw the child's body in a certain position at the female's home. So the female was taken into police custody. Police saw the child's body in the night. It is said that bruise or bruises was on the child's body. So it is said that a neighbor from within the same community or the area where the female live said that the female or the accused talked about killing herself and killing the child some time ago before this incident happened. And I'm not sure exactly how certain things go, but it is said that either the same neighbor or at least someone else try to get help by contacting the necessary authorities about the things that the female said. However, no help came. Yes, what I say, my people? Now, based on that information that I got in of your subscribers, I wondered to myself now, see, would the situation be different if the female was someone who was successful, meaning like have enough money in life or rich then? Because based on information that I got, it seems as if the female was not really and truly a rich person. This is me answer, my people. Anyway, so it is also said that the grandmother of the child who died talk about the female and the 7-year-old child who died. I also got information that the accused or the mother might have mental health issues. I also got information that the female lost a child years ago, and that might have contributed to the alleged mental health issues that the female might have. You see, when it comes on to information about her age and her name, they are not confirmed to my knowledge, so I leave out that part. But I got the understanding that she's not really an old woman. You understand? And I also got information that the female or the accused allegedly was involved in an abusive relationship. I'm not sure what type of abusive, but allegedly it is said that she was in a relationship that is considered abusive. See, it is said that the police are doing their whole investigation when it comes down to this whole situation. Talk about a sad situation. This is one sad situation. May I tell you the truth? You know, there are also pictures posted certain places on social media about this whole situation. I'm just make you know what I go on. But people, you can let me know what you think, alright? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video shows how at least one person had been arrested or detained by the police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Now, this video has been talked about on social media for quite a number of reasons, viewers and subscribers. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons talked about how the police handled the situation. And it's like the video shows a certain amount of persons at a certain location within Trinidad and Tobago. My people, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Observe, look, tell me what you think, and so on. Observe.
How do you all feel about the presence of so many of the police yesterday, the army? How do you all feel about it?
Watch the police brutalize the people. Watch the police brutalize the people. I know all the way, I'll make sure I leave me out all the way. Watch out, let's see what's going on. Police are pulling up and beating people. Let's see what the police doing people. Where's the offense? Where's the offense? I understand, eh? Where's the offense? Where's the offense? Huh? All I can take it off. All I can take it off. The right said take it off.
Alright, now viewers and subscribers, even though I don't have much confirmed information about the situation that you can see in that video, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the video had been posted on social media with quite a number of comments. You see me? Yeah, one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Now, certain things recently happened within the country of Trinidad and Tobago that caused certain things to happen. Like, you know, people doing certain things. I don't want to even mention it and put the wrong information out there. Alright? So, I got the understanding from comments that I saw on social media, some persons talk about the police officer we can see in the video holding a shovel. Now, if you look at the video carefully, you can see certain things in the road that you can see in the video. So, think about it. See? And I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person had been arrested or detained by the police. I don't even have any confirmed information as to how many persons had been arrested or detained by the police. But the video has been talked about on social media. So that's one of the reasons why I presented the video to you. And you can also let me know what I think, viewers and subscribers. Check the comment section. You see me? I'll let you know what I know if possible. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man.